Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to send someone an Amazon gift card. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to send someone an Amazon gift card as a Christmas gift or birthday gift. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now in order to do this, there's multiple ways you can do this. I like to highlight where it says gift cards on Amazon and then click on shop all gift cards. Now scroll down and then you can click on this Amazon e-gift card here. And this is where you could actually change the amount. You can change the logo. You can make it an e-gift card or a physical gift card. And this is where you could also enter a custom amount as well. This is the really key important part. Now, the delivery method, you can use it as an email, shareable link, or a text message. And so with that, just make sure that you enter the correct name, when you want it delivered as well. And there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and send someone an Amazon gift card. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.